We talk football SA, inform, entertain, educate, promote. This video is proudly brought to you by First Security Services. Securing your business is our core business. Ndakaba.
Kunjani lapha?
Yes, khona Nkabi yami kunjani?
No kuyalunga.
Sebuhlungu kajeno. Golden Arrows 1 Mamelodi Sundowns 0 ekhaya.
Okay, it's in Kale. Bafethu kunjani? Kuyalunga. This is Foxy.
Yeah.
TS Galaxy supporter.
Yes.
Fighting Pirates.
Yes.
Fighting Sundowns.
Yeah.
Fighting Kaizer Chiefs.
And this weekend, let me tell you something.
Trying to fix South African football.
Let me tell you something. This weekend, in Pretoria, somewhere in Pretoria,
Yes.
my team, Newcastle Football Academy, Onkosetu Football Stars,
Yebo.
it's a development team, will be playing against TS Galaxy. So, thank you, TS Galaxy, for giving us that opportunity.
I know.
Thank you. Yeah.
Sizonipa a beautiful game.
Yes.
Asesikhulume ngegame namhlanje.
Yeah, but
Igame namhlanje it was balanced, especially first half.
yeah.
But then second half, that's where Sundowns dominated.
Yes.
But then the domination, the way they dominated ngakhona second half,
Yeah.
it wasn't because manje they were doing something special.
Yes.
They killed one defender, then they pushed Umudiba up,
Yes.
and then as they were pushing Umudiba up, that's when Golden Arrows saw, but okay, these people, this is what they're doing. Then bathathu jobe, bathatha not yon, but mina hlalani le.
Yeah.
Mina hlalani le, because manje sebe-3 izoba-3 against you.
Yeah.
So bese kunjalo manje. I think it was a beautiful game all round.
Yeah.
But then into engiyibonayo manje, I fear for his Sundowns for his second league.
Yes.
Because going to KZN,
Yeah.
it's not easy.
Yes.
Ask me.
Yeah.
I know
Nzima.
going that side
Kunzima.
and winning Kulesa Stadium,
Kubuyima.
it's not easy.
Kuthatha.
It's not easy. But the Pirates next it's next week, ne?
Yeah.
Yeah. So the Pirates, I think they're going to have a free passage to the. They're going to have a free passage to the final, and then kuzoba finally Golden Arrows and the Pirates, and then mustn't decide. I mean, ngokwami ngibona ngakhona the way ibhola dlalwa ngakhona. Ngicabanga ukuthi Golden Arrows izoyithatha.
Yeah.
Ngiyabonga. And then man of the match uJobe.
Ujobe.
Yeah.
Hayi inkalakazi.